Hey, hello guys. Welcome to my daily analysis video. In the last video, we have discussed about some of the stocks that were looking good for me. We discussed about Union Bank, Canara Bank, and I think also Wellspun India. So all these stocks are up like 5 to 10% in the last couple of days, but I haven't traded those as I was on not traded because of this Diwali season. So I am I will plan to trade from tomorrow. So as you already know, I've been holding this Sipla from 8th November. It is still with me. Today it opened around 1260, but it didn't move much. So I'm still holding the stock. If it doesn't break today's low, or if it doesn't break tomorrow's morning low, I will keep holding the stock. If there is any price action which shows that it is not looking good, I will try to exit. So as of now, this is looking good. And I have shortlisted a couple of stocks for tomorrow. Those are Loda. So if you see, this stock went up from around 700 to 880. I think it's more than 20% move. From there onwards, it is consolidating in this narrow range. And you see this 10 days moving average. This is trading near the 10 days moving average. And yeah, if the stocks today is a negative day for the stock, it opened gap up and closed it below. So yeah, but the op close is above previous day high, previous day close. So this is still in the bullish thing. So if the stocks opens around 860 or 865 and breaks above yesterday's low, I mean yesterday high, we can definitely try to buy this stock. Usually I would like to buy it above morning high of 5 minutes or 15 minutes based on the pattern. So this is one good stock for tomorrow. And there is one more stock that is looking good is Sun Pharma. Um, if you see, this is really extended from the lows like say 1062 and 1180. I think it's around 120 rupees. Maybe it's not that much extended, 12%. But if you see, this stock is still above the 10-day moving average, but still, this stock has already traded sideways for 6 days. And one more thing is, this one is trading above all these highs. So definitely there would be some good momentum buying would be happening around this place. So if the stocks um, breaks above this level about today high is around 1184 or 83. So if it breaks above today's high um, with a good open, so we can definitely look to buy this stock. Yeah, and I have a couple of more stocks in my watch list. These are, I would say, not a great set stocks, but I still there are less setups today, so I have shortlisted two of these stocks, which is SJVN. If you see, even this stock went up from 65 to 78. Very good move from bottom to house higher, but you see today it was closing lower, open gap up around 78 and closed around 75, 60. So this stock I think down around 3% from the highs, but yeah, so the only trade opportunity comes if the stock opens around 76.50 or above, which is like mid-range of today's trading range, and um, makes a morning high around yesterday's high and like today's high, and breaks out after some consolidation. Yeah, that would be a very good opportunity to get into this stock. Yeah, I would definitely make an entry if this performs as I expected. I would not buy if it opens around 76 or 75, 70 and starts moving from bottom. So maybe I would try to buy it if there is any price action in the afternoon. Maybe I would like to buy it then. But if it starts going up from the first open set around 75, 60 or 75, and from the bottom, if it goes up to 78, I would not buy it. So that is one thing because the momentum uh, gets killed if after a while. Like for this stock from 75 to 78 is like 3 to 4%. So that's not a good thing to buy on an intraday basis. And one more thing is Map My India. I am saying this is a not a ape stock because this candle does look small like an inside candle, but if you look at the price range, it is from 2100 to 2165. Like it's almost like 3%. I would not like to keep a stop of 3%. Yeah, if I want to put a stop below this to 2100. So I would rather wait for one more consolidation in this stock. Maybe if it makes a one more consolidation in this range between 2200 and 2100, yeah, that would be a good opportunity to get into this stock. So these are some of the setups that I'm looking to plan a trade for tomorrow. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.